In today's fast-paced digital world, balancing our mental and physical well-being with technology is more important than ever. That's why CIET NCERT is bringing you a special 5-hour online training on mental and physical well-being in the era of cyberspace. In this training, CIET NCERT dive deep into the essential strategies that will help you manage your screen time, overcome tech addiction, and learn how to use digital tools to boost your mental and physical well-being. They will explore practical techniques like digital detox, stress management tools, and self-regulation strategies, all designed to help you thrive in a connected world. This session is perfect for students, teachers, parents, and anyone who want to develop a healthier relationship with technology. And the best part, it's completely online and accessible in both English and Hindi versions. English 3rd to 7th February 2025. Hindi 10th to 14th February 2025. Time 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. The main objectives are understand policy frameworks on digital well-being, assess screen time effects on cognition, stress, and health, adopt digital detox for reduced dependency and better mindfulness, use well-being tools for stress, focus, and emotional resilience, develop strategies for responsible digital engagement, encourage physical activity to combat sedentary habits, foster institutional and personal responsibility in digital well-being, create a balanced digital environment for long-term mental wellness. Now, let's walk through how you can access the program schedule and register for the exciting online training on mental and physical well-being in the era of cyberspace. First, open your browser and simply type CIET into Google search bar. Once the search results appear, click on the workshop and training link. Next, look for the upcoming activities menu and click on the link for online training on mental and physical well-being in the era of cyberspace. Now, you will be directed to the program dashboard where you can easily see the complete schedule for the training. Day 1, 3rd February 2025, Monday. Mental Wellness Policy Perspectives, Need and Scope. Day 2, 4th February 2025, Tuesday. Screen Time, Impact and Management. Day 3, 5th February 2025, Wednesday. Digital Detox, Overcoming Technology Addiction. Day 4, 6th February 2025, Thursday. Digital Wellbeing Tools for Fostering Mental Health. Day 5, 7th February 2025, Friday, and roles responsibilities for maintaining mental and physical wellness. Now let's walk through how to register for the program. To begin, click on the registration link provided or scan the QR code available in the How to Participate section. Once you click the link or scan the code, the registration form will appear. Start by entering your email ID, then select your state and title. Next, enter your name and mobile number. Choose your profession and the teaching level that best describes you. If you have attended any previous training on cyber hygiene, select yes and provide the details when prompted. Then, tell us your expectations from this online training on cyber hygiene. Please feel free to share what you hope to learn. Lastly, select how you came to know about the training. Watch live training sessions, attend training sessions which will be live streamed on NCERT official YouTube channel from 3rd to 7th February 2025 from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. The session will also be telecast live on the following PM eVidya channels number 6 to 12, DD Free Dish channel number 28 to 34, Dish TV channel number 2027-2033, Geo TV mobile app. Now, next, we'll talk about the certification process. If you are interested to earn a certificate, you need to do the following. Join the online course that will be launched on Diksha portal. Course link will be updated on the event page on the last day of the training by 7 p.m. This course will be open till 15th March 2025. Participants need to join the course, go through all the 5 videos. Participants need to take up the final assessment. Participants can attempt thrice the assessment. Participants who score 70% and above in the final assessment will get a certificate, and they can access their certificate in their Diksha profile page itself. It may take 15 to 20 days to receive the certificate. Finally, for any queries, reach us at training.helpdesk@ciet.nic.in or call to the displayed number. And that's it. You have now completed the process for the mental and physical well-being in the era of cyberspace training program. Remember, this program will equip you with valuable tools and strategies to navigate the digital world in a healthier, more balanced way. Thank you for watching and subscribe our channel for important updates. Take care and stay well.